In the silence of a forgotten industrial yard, the story begins with discarded remnants of modern life waiting for a second chance at beauty. What was once waste now stands as a mountain of potential. Every bottle and container holds the secret of a future form. Precision meets chaos as robotic systems identify and sort fragments of our past. The rhythmic dance of technology begins purification and renewal. A waterfall of color descends through the machinery. These fragments, once trivial, now become raw pigment for a new era of sustainable design. Every movement is calculated, every selection deliberate. We witness the systematic organization of materials destined to become something truly extraordinary. Weight and volume collide as massive blocks of compressed history move into place. The scale of consumption meets the scale of innovation. Within these walls, the industrial spirit breathes life into the old. The journey from scrap heap to designer studio officially begins today. Look closely at the texture of the old world. Raw, rugged, and full of character, soon transformed into an elegant masterpiece. The destruction begins. Massive steel blades tear through the past, breaking old structures apart to make room for revolutionary furniture creation. In slow motion, chaos becomes a ballet of fragments. Each tiny flake is a building block, stripped of identity and ready for transformation. Water and sound waves unite to cleanse the material. This ultrasonic bath removes every trace of old life, leaving only pure polymer. The purification process is intense and thorough. Within the swirling vortex, the plastic emerges cleaner and brighter than before. Centrifugal force takes over, spinning moisture away in a blur of color. The mechanical rhythm becomes a heartbeat for the next phase. Heat and motion work in harmony. Moisture vanishes, leaving behind dry, crisp material ready to be molded into something functional. Behold the cleansing result.
These flakes shimmer like synthetic gems, pure and ready to be forged in the extrusion fires. A mosaic of color fills the bin, representing diverse sources. This palette will define the furniture's unique aesthetic identity. Quality is checked at every step. Only the purest materials move forward, ensuring luxury, durability, and exceptional standards. The industrial landscape transforms into a sanctuary of renewal. Every machine plays a role in the symphony of sustainable engineering. The journey into heat begins. Solid flakes are drawn into the machine's heart, where profound physical transformation awaits. Thermal energy radiates through the system. Warmth becomes the catalyst for change, softening rigid plastic into fluid possibility. Deep within the chamber, plastic melts into a viscous flow. Colors merge together, creating marbled liquid carrying traces of past lives. The extrusion begins. Molten strands emerge continuously, recycled potential shaped by the precise pressure of the industrial extruder. From fire to ice, the strands plunge into cooling water. The sudden shift solidifies material, locking in vibrant new forms. Quietly moving through the depths, the plastic finds strength. Cooling is essential for creating material both stable and durable. Emerging from water, the strands are guided by rollers. They become solid rods of color ready for uniform production. The rhythmic chop of blades creates a new foundation. Uniform pellets become the standardized currency of precision manufacturing. Like colorful seeds, the pellets dance across the tray. They represent the final stage before furniture creation truly begins. Thousands of pellets gather, a kaleidoscope of recycled history. This blend ensures every furniture piece carries its own visual soul. The raw material is loaded and the system primed. Preparation gives way to the magical realm of robotic construction. The factory floor gives way to the laboratory of the future. The transition is complete and the robots prepare to dance. In this sterile sanctuary of design, technology meets artistry. The robotic arm stands ready, pioneering sustainable additive manufacturing. Before a single drop is laid, the laser scans the horizon. Precision is the machine's language, ensuring mathematical perfection. The first layer is born. A glowing line of recycled plastic meets the surface, beginning a structure designed to support life. Layer upon layer, the form emerges from nothingness. The robot moves gracefully, translating digital code into physical design reality. Gentle air currents accelerate the bond. Material sets quickly, allowing the robot to build increasingly complex geometries. Observe the object's topography. These ridges are the thumbprints of the machine, testifying to the modern creation process. The structure grows in 3 dimensions, revealing curves that defy traditional manufacturing. Algorithmic design finds beauty through recycled waste. The marbling is accidental yet beautiful. No 2 pieces are identical, as recycled pellets create unique patterns of color. While the world sleeps, the robot continues tirelessly. The glow of creation illuminates the lab, signaling a sustainable industrial future. The fusion is complete. What were once separate flakes now form a monolithic structure built to last generations. Elegance takes flight as the backrest forms. Every curve is optimized for comfort and aesthetic beauty, elevating recycled materials into luxury. The machine becomes an extension of the designer's mind. Its silent movements bridge digital vision and physical functionality. Printing reaches its zenith. The final layer is laid with the same care as the first, completing this sustainable masterpiece. There it stands, a complete form born from fragments of the past. More than a chair, it symbolizes human potential. The surface invites touch. It possesses rugged beauty resembling natural materials, though entirely man-made and fully recycled. Now the human touch begins. Skilled hands guide grinders, refining edges and smoothing transitions until every surface feels perfect. The Tyndall effect highlights the fine dust of progress. Every tool pass brings us closer to the luxury furniture vision. Patience becomes a virtue in the finishing shop. Manual sanding reaches places machines cannot, adding true craftsmanship. Metal meets polymer. High-quality hardware integrates into the structure, reinforcing strength while adding industrial contrast to the organic form. Final assembly becomes a series of precise clicks and turns. Every component locks firmly into place for beauty and durability. The luster emerges. A specialized compound reveals the depth of color and intricate details of the recycled marbled pattern. With one final wipe, the transformation is complete. The surface reflects the world with brilliance beyond its discarded origins. Modern engineering and sustainable material science coexist in harmony.
Make sure this edge
Every
is
joint
perfectly
represents
smooth.
seamless
Yes,
integration
Foreman,
between
it
different
passes
worlds and
inspection.
purposes.
Excellent.
The workshop
Another
becomes a
masterpiece
gallery
ready.
of finished works. Each piece undergoes rigorous inspection before leaving the facility. Admire the unique soul of the material. Random color distribution creates a one-of-a-kind aesthetic possible through traditional manufacturing. A final touch of care. The product is ready to leave the industrial world and enter the home as sustainability's masterpiece. The journey ends here, in a space of light and elegance. The chair becomes a conversation between past waste and future design, a mark of pride and commitment to the planet. This logo represents more than a brand, it represents circularity and lasting value. From landfill chaos to the serenity of home, vision and technology prove that anything can become a masterpiece. Recycled from the past, reborn through technology, retained for the future. Join the movement redefining luxury through ultimate sustainability.